Hey team, it's Russ. It's time to get our first cut and cleanup in. Don't go away. It is April 3rd today, so we're into Easter weekend when I'm filming this. I'm going to do a little yard cleanup today. That includes some edging with my MTD gas edger. I generally use it once a year. It's more of a workhorse, so I won't be using my Ego 8-inch edger today, which does work great, but I like to break out the big gas boy for the first edging of the season. We're going to do that. We're going to do a little cutting. I'm not going to bore you guys watching me go back and forth, but I just want you to follow along and see what's up, see the final result. I am 2 weeks into my first fertilizer application, which was the Yard Mastery Sunny Land Mix. It was the 12-12-12, and I applied that based on my soil test. You guys can link to the video, and just stick around for a minute. Team, got the first mow in. Front lawn, definitely longer than the back. I get more sun out front. Things are looking good. Just to recap, a couple weeks ago, you guys can link above, I did my first split application of pre-emergent. It was granular. I'll be following up with a liquid prodiamine WDG, water dispersible granule, with my backpack sprayer probably in another 2 weeks. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel if you want to catch that. After receiving my soil results, I confirmed that I'm still phosphorus deficient. I'm better than I was last year, but so I went with a 12-12-12 starter FERT. We have that linked above. I also, again, acidic with the pH. I came in at 5. So I'm trying the Jonathan Green Magical Plus. You guys can link to that also. I'm going to be taking a pH reading with my portable meter probably tomorrow, I'll put that out on Instagram, or I'll mention it in a future video. Today I did my first cut with my big league striper. Didn't really stripe that good because the grass is just coming out of dormancy. I'm running around now with my groundskeeper rake, just raking up any spots that are still kind of matted down. But that's it, guys. Get out there, get it done. Spring is here. It's probably 60-ish, 62 here today in Jersey. It's March 4th. It's April 4th. So this is what we wait for. Get out there, dominate your neighbors. I'll be continuing my biostim applications, so that's stuff you guys can watch out for. I also have other plans to refurbish some of my solar lights, so I'll be sharing that information in the coming weeks. And I have some plantings going in. I want to share that information. I have a super sack of hosta. I'll be doing some mulching and a lot more maybe landscaping type work this season also. Leave some comments below. Let me know how you guys are doing, and I'll catch you guys next time on Lawn Journeys.